I'm Chris, and I'm the creator of Talescape. Today I want to try something. I actually don't know if I can upload videos to Discord, but I have a question for you. Do you think that 3 poses is enough for one dialog line? So what I'm doing right now is I'm kind of rewriting the dialog logic a little bit. Basically, I started out with one portrait per dialog line, and now I'm adding a few more. Right now you can select 3 portraits per line, so one on the left, one in the middle, one on the right. And additionally, you can now add poses to characters. You can do this here. You can add different poses, give them names, and select them later in the dialogues. So this is an example story. I actually don't really have a lot of characters in here, just a fisherman, and the bear has to act like a character right now. So I can show you how this works. So what we can do is go to scenes, and as you can see I have one scene, and I went completely insane with some elements here. I was just testing some stuff. So we go to dialogues. You can add multiple dialogues per scene, and you can give them names. I will show this all in bigger detail in a separate video. But what I want to show you right now is how the new dialog system works. As you can see, there isn't a lot of things going on here right now. This is our starting line. There isn't anything else right now. I can add like a follow-up. Just say goodbye. Ignore this. This will be gone. So I will just save it. Okay. Now it's our starting line, and this will go here. We can also add, or actually, I think I added an option. Okay, doesn't matter. So we can add different speakers per line. There's a text that is shown. Fisherman hands you the bear spray. Doesn't make a lot of sense. It's not that important right now. So what you can do is you can add one speaker on the left, one speaker in the middle, one speaker on the right. You can either add an image or you can add a pose. For example, the poses we created by using the characters. For example, we can add the bear in the middle right now. And there's always one active speaker. And you can add a speaker name. I don't think it's really important to have the names here because they don't really show up. But you can basically switch between those. So what I want to know additionally is this a good way to display the different speakers, or is this too complex or too technical? So what I tried was I was trying to add them in columns here, but it was so small and you couldn't really read anything. So I ended up just putting them in rows beneath each other. Yeah. Maybe you can just tell me what you think about it. I can actually also show you how this would look like. I'll remove the option here because I was not smart enough to do it right, but I'll just show you how it looks like. Right, now nothing works. Let's quickly retry. So now we have our 2 speakers. on. That should actually just show up. Should it show up in the middle? I actually don't remember where I put it. If it's wrong, then it's a bug. But you can have multiple speakers now. And yeah, because that's the only line in dialog, it ends right here. Okay, so the only purpose for the video was asking you, is this, are 3 speakers enough? And do you think the way that the speakers are added is understandable to someone that is not a programmer? And so for example, someone like you, and or an author or an illustrator. Yeah, that's what I want to know. So, thank you.